Hey guys, good morning. How are you today? All right, let's start with our 12 months of the year. Let's say them. I'm going to say them and I want you to repeat them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, our month is October. October starts with the letter O. All right, let's do our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Yesterday was Wednesday. We had talked yesterday about the number 4 and the letter B. Today is Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday. Alrighty, you guys ready to count with me? Let's count in our favorite, let's count like Spider-Man today. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is the 15th of October. A 1 and a 5 is for 15. We have been creating that pattern. So if I start right here, do you think we can continue with our AB pattern? Remember, a pattern is something that repeats itself over and over. So we have AB, do it again, AB. This time we are using jack-o'-lanterns and leaves. Jack-o'-lantern leaf, jack-o'-lantern leaf, jack-o'-lantern. Good job. So today is Thursday, October 15th, and the year is 2020. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny or is it cloudy or is it rainy outside? Is it windy or is it foggy or is it snowy outside? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Go look out your window. You can pause me. What do you see? When I looked out the window, I saw the clouds. I saw some clouds way up in that sky. So I am going to sing the cloudy song. This is how you spell cloudy. There was a day that was so nice and cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. Cloudy is the weather today. Let's look at this graph. A graph gives us information. So how many days has it been sunny in October? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sunny days. How many cloudy days? 1, 2. Good. How many rainy days? Right, 0. How many windy? Good, 1. Foggy? None yet. And snowy. No snowy days. Right. How many more sunny days are there than cloudy days? Look at this. Here is sunny and here is cloudy. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 more sunny days than there are cloudy days. Today is Thursday, and the weather is cloudy today. Where's the frog? Where's the frog? Where, oh where, oh where is the frog? Say up. Say the frog jumped up. Say down. The frog jumped down. All right, let's shake that dice and find out what number we have today. And shake. How many is that? 1. I am going to draw 1. I'm going to use green, and I'm going to draw 1 circle today. 1 circle. I'm also going to write the number 1. Do you remember how to make a 1? Make it in the air with me. Straight line down. Then we're done. That's the way we make a 1. Great work. There's our triangles. That's our circles. That's our rectangles. Today we're going to talk about a square. A square is a shape. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, a square, all the sides are the same length. The same length means they measure the same this way, this way, this way, and this way. Sometimes a square and a rectangle look very similar, don't they? They both have straight lines. But remember this rectangle, there are 2 lines in a rectangle that are usually smaller. And these 2 sides are the same on a rectangle, and they're longer. How many squares do you see right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you know squares are everywhere? So I took a picture of our school floor. And what do you see on that school floor? You see squares. Look at all of those squares. This is the floor sometimes we walk on. Let's count some of the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 squares in this picture of our school floor. Do you guys see any squares where you are right now? I'll look around all the sides, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners and 4 sides that all are the same length. I found a picture frame. I know that is a square. Can you guys find a square around your house? Take a look and then snap it. Take a picture. I found one on my floor too. Okay, let's remember some of these. We talked about this letter. Say O, ah. We talked about this letter. A, ah for alligator. For apple, a anchor, and airplane. We talked about this letter. Good. B. B was for butterfly, boo, blue, boop, boots, ball, and bat. Today we're going to talk about this letter. Do you know what letter that is? Good. That is the letter M. Look at this M. It goes down, and then you can come back up and go down, up, down. That is the letter M. M is a letter in the alphabet. It goes this. That's the sound M makes. Each letter makes a sound. So whenever you see this letter, you can think of I always think of yummy food like a muffin. Did you hear that sound? Muffin. Starts with the letter M. Mouse. That starts with an M. What's that? Mario. Mario starts with an M. Minecraft and mom all begin with the same sound, that sound. Let me hear you. Say Good. Okay. Give me a thumbs up when we find the letter M. Remember, an M can be an uppercase M, like this. It also can look like this sometimes. We call that a lowercase m. It still makes the same sound. Hey, when I get to an M, give me a thumbs up. Mm. Oh, that one looked a lot. We learned that one earlier this week. W for Wednesday. That looks like an M, doesn't it? Upside down, but that is a W. Mm. N. Two humps. 1, 2. Mm. 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 Good job. Okay, the last thing we're going to talk about is this number. Number 5. Give me 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put them back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our number 5. Oh. A 5 has a straight little neck down, a belly that goes around, and a hat on top. That is our number 5. Let's let Mario jump to the number 5. Are you ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does this number match that number? He can go down the tunnel. Yeah! All right. There is 5 on a dice. Shake that dice. Go 5. So when you see this pattern 2, 1, 2, you will remember, hey, that is a 5. You can supersize a 5. I need 5 on my 10 frame. So yesterday, when we did 4, we noticed that there was just one more missing from the top row. So what do you think is going to happen today? If that was 4, there's 4. Get that one more. What happened to the top row of our 10 frame? It is all filled up. It is great work. All right, 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's our number 5. 5 objects for me, and see if you can also find the letter M somewhere around your house. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.